we going to ride the Spyder or knock off a liquor store?
First stop's gas station. Get some gas and we're off. It's a nice stay here at the Silver Cabin.
Our objective today is to ride over to Cherokee, North Carolina, grab a picnic lunch, then pick up the Blue Ridge Parkway at its southern terminus at milepost 469. Then ride along the parkway to the Pisgah Inn, which is at milepost 408. It's only going to be about a 71-mile ride today. It's going to be kind of a short day for us. The weather's expected to be sun and clouds with temperatures in the low 60s reaching the low 70s by the end of the day. A little bit of history about the town of Cherokee, North Carolina. Why is it called Cherokee? Well, it sits right in the middle of the Eastern Cherokee Nation. If you recall from your history books, the Cherokee were part of the 5 civilized tribes which had their lands illegally taken by the state and federal government during the time of President Andrew Jackson. You know, the guy still on the $20 bill. Even though the court said it couldn't be done, to include the U.S. Supreme Court. And President Andrew Jackson said, well, the Supreme Court has made the ruling, let them enforce it. He ignored the Supreme Court and shipped 60,000 Native Americans to Oklahoma, which would come to be known as the Trail of Tears. Basically, it was a death march. Over 4,000 Cherokee alone died on the walk to Oklahoma. The town of Cherokee actually celebrates its proud heritage. The street signs and many of the building names are in English and in Cherokee.
Your what?
Got a message from Betsy. They're leaving now. Expect to be just in about 3:30.
All right. We made it into Cherokee. We decided it's time for a cup of coffee. It's a picnic lunch, and we're heading up to jump onto the Blue Ridge Parkway. The entrance to the southern terminus of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Mileage marker 469. 469 miles till we exit the parkway at Afton Mountain, where we have our hotel room lined up for our last night on this saga. You know, I know I've spoken before, but I spent so much time on the Blue Ridge Parkway throughout my life. It's such a realm of escape for me. It was such a place to go to. It was a great place to go and escape the stress of a high intensity career as a first responder. And you just come up here and listen to the wind blow and the birds chirp. Every time I get on, it's like an old friend. You know, that and the Appalachian Trail. But there are times you just don't want to walk, you want to ride. A lot of good memories. A lot of restorative moments.
The Blue Ridge Parkway is connected on the south end to the Smoky Mountain National Park and the north end to the Shenandoah National Park. The 469-mile length of the parkway is divided into 4 regions. The Pisgah region, the Highland region, both are in North Carolina, and then when you cross it over to Virginia, the Plateau region and the Ridge region of the parkway. We're heading up to the Pisgah Inn on top of Mount Pisgah, where we hope to spend a couple of nights hanging out with our friends from the Huntsville, Alabama area. The Pisgah Inn is at 5,700 feet above sea level. We may need a blanket. We won't need air conditioning.
A selfie at the highest elevation on the Blue Ridge Parkway Motor Road. Oh, 6,053 is right on the sign. Duh.
Here we are. We missed the turn once again. I think registration is down that way.
Straight ahead.
Somewhere on that end. Maybe where the flag's flying. Need to go around the other way. Huh. There's the office. Yeah.
Well, guys, we've arrived at our destination for the next couple of days. We're going to get checked in, unpacked, and relax. Thanks for watching. We will catch you all next week.